Welcome back to Clean Tech Talk. This is the brief on self-propelled floor scrubbers. With facility labor costs rising globally and hygiene standards getting stricter, manually cleaning commercial spaces just isn't practical anymore, which is driving a massive shift toward automated solutions. First, let's look at their sweet spot. Unlike traditional walk-behind machines that you literally have to push, self-propelled scrubbers use a motorized drive to just glide forward automatically, seamlessly combining scrubbing, washing, and drying all at once. They're basically the Goldilocks of cleaning, perfect for medium to large facilities because you get high productivity without the massive price tag of a ride-on unit. Second, the efficiency gains are absolutely tremendous. Take the AIolith 2217 model, for example. It drops 88 pounds of brush pressure and tears through 38,000 square feet an hour. So how much faster is that really? Well, it's a 3 to 5 times productivity boost over traditional mopping, drastically slashing your labor hours and wiping out operator fatigue. Finally, we've got to touch on their smart lithium-powered design. These machines run on fast-charging, long-lasting 24-volt lithium batteries. And because they operate at under 70 decibels, they're quiet enough to run in sensitive environments like hospitals, retail stores, and airports without causing any disruption at all. Upgrading to automated scrubbers is no longer a futuristic luxury, but an absolute cost-saving requirement for any modern facility. And as a special thank you to our listeners, you can now enjoy 5% off your next purchase at AIolith. Just use the promo code AIolith 2026 at checkout. That's AIOLITH 2026. Don't miss out.